So in response to one of my Q&As, this user wants me to do a video on Deepwater Horizon. Yeah, this is gonna take a minute. So when you drill a well, you case it. And what that means is you drill a hole this big and then you put pipe in it, slightly smaller, you run it down in the hole and it supports the well bore. It keeps it from falling in. And at different intervals through the drilling process, you run different sizes of casing in the well. So let's start with surface casing. That is this pipe right here. You would drill about 500 feet down and then you would stop and you would run this pipe in the hole. Then you would pump cement behind that pipe and you would have cement between your geology and your pipe. That secures the geology and the well right here. Then you want to drill deeper. So you get a smaller drill bit and you drill a smaller hole deeper down. See? That is where it says intermediate casing right here. You would drill that to say 1,500 feet. Then you would run 1,500 feet of that smaller pipe inside of this larger pipe. Smaller pipe, larger pipe. And you would set it, and then you would pump cement behind. As you can see, between every single one of these is cemented in. And then you drill further. Let's say you drill down to 10,000 feet, and you run an even smaller section of pipe the entire length of that well, and you cement that all the way behind. So every single one of these casing strings are cemented behind them. And what you end up with is several casing strings inside of a well that are all cemented behind, and only this hole in the center is open to the formation. In the Deepwater Horizon incident, they did not put enough cement behind their production casing. When you finish drilling a well, you circulate out your drilling mud, which is heavy, and you replace it with water. You displace it with water. Water is much lighter than drilling mud. So when they displaced the well with water, coupled with the poor cement job they did, that allowed the gas to flow up behind the production casing and blow out the well.